Hello everyone, welcome back to our JavaScript series. Today we're diving into the fundamental building block of data, arrays. Let's jump right in. So an array in JavaScript allows us to store multiple values in a single variable. Here is a quick example. We'll make a variable called fruits. So in order to make an array, you need square brackets. Inside of an array, you can put any data type you want. So for right now, I'll just go with strings. Let's put an apple. And also, all the elements inside of an array need to be comma separated. Let's put an orange, and let's put a banana. So this is an array. So let me just console log this array just by typing the array's name. As you can see, this is the array in the console. So that's how simple it is to create an array in JavaScript. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. Until next time, happy coding!